We have just spent 5 days exploring the beautiful city of Krakow. It was one of our favourite destinations in Europe due to its rich history, tasty Polish food and fun nightlife. We're going to keep this quickfire, but if you want more detail, be sure to check out our vlogs from our trip.
So here are the top 15 things to do in Krakow.
Number 1. Visit Varvel Castle. This is the most historically important site in Poland, as it has served as a royal residence for over 5 centuries. The castle now holds an array of exhibitions to explore, or you can walk around the grounds and take in its beauty.
The second thing to do is to check out Varvel Cathedral, situated right next door. This is the grandest cathedral we've ever seen, and it's well worth a visit. Tickets are just 22 zloty per person.
Number 3 is hop on a boat tour and see Krakow's beautiful skyline from the water. We headed down from the castle and stopped at one of the numerous boats offering tours that day. A fun half-an-hour activity to mix up your sightseeing.
Number 4 is to visit Auschwitz. It's important that everyone learns about this horrendous part of human history. We'd highly recommend doing this through a tour rather than navigating it yourself. The cheapest option is to book directly through their website.
The 5th thing on our list is to visit Pod Buranim restaurant and try some traditional Polish dishes. This place has top-tier service and unbelievable food. I'd highly recommend the dumplings if you go.
Good? Yeah?
Yeah, oh my god.
Number 6 is to do a Segway tour. We had so much fun zooming around the old town, looking at all the top attractions and getting insider knowledge from our local guides. We booked our tour through TripAdvisor.
Number 7. Buy your cheapest ever round at Banya Luca. This place became our local on our trip due to its relaxed atmosphere and the fact that wine, beer and vodka only cost $1.
Number 8 is to have a mooch around the world famous Old Town Square. This place has a rich history, plus it's the perfect spot to grab a drink under the heaters and watch the world go by.
Number 9 is hire an electric scooter and go sightseeing around the Jewish quarter and Old Ghetto. This is one of our favourite days on our trip. There is so much history in this part of the city and it has lots of cute pubs and restaurants to stop in.
The 10th thing to do on our list is to go vodka tasting at Vodka Bar. Vodka Bar is a small little micropub with hundreds of flavours of vodka. This place is a must visit. That's nice, that's nice.
Which one was that? Caramel.
Tastes like Baileys.
Number 11, go to Schindlers Museum. This was fantastic and we spent a good few hours fully immersed in its history. It really does a good job of telling the story of World War II. It's free entry on a Monday, but be aware that it shuts at 2 o'clock.
Number 12 is try a traditional Zappy Kanki. The guide from our Segway Tour recommended that we got one from the market square in the middle of the Jewish quarter. Zappy Kanki is essentially a Polish pizza, traditionally with sautéed mushrooms, melted cheese and ketchup.
Number 13, get some of the best steak of your life at Moo Moo's Steak Restaurant. This place was top tier if you're looking for more of a fancy experience on your trip.
Number 14 is to go on a night out at Alchemia and Singer's Bar. These two bars had the typical dungeon feel of Krakow bars, both with a great atmosphere and tasty selection of drinks. This area of the city is the place to be if you're looking for a late one.
Finally, number 15, try the traditional Polish pastry, Pastry. This is a Polish donut traditionally filled with rose petal jam, however there are lots of other fillings on offer. Krakow truly was a city full of everything, from history, good food and cheap booze. We absolutely loved it. We hope you enjoyed our top 15 things you must do when you visit. Please let us know in the comments if you try out any of our recommendations. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!